Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. And today we are gonna put all the cars that we opened in the last video into the showcase. And then I have some kind of statement to do, I guess. Not because I did some crap, but because a company I used very much, which product I used very much, sorry, did something very bad. If you are on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube very regularly, you may know what I'm already talking about. Of course, I'm talking about Capcut and its terms of service. This new update on the, I think it was 18th or 17th of June 2025, so about a week ago. Yeah, at least at that time I got aware of it. Because it literally exploded all over the internet, this topic. Because what's so special about a simple update to the terms of service? Well, these terms of service are not the usual terms of service you might expect to see from a company as big as Capcut. If you didn't know, Capcut was and it still is an editing platform which I actually used for most of my videos until a couple of videos ago. You may have seen, I think in my LEGO Technic S Modern Valkyrie Asphalt Legends Unite gameplay, you may have seen in the bottom right corner the InShot logo, because I swapped from Capcut to InShot. And all of this has a reason. The reason is, as I said, the terms of service. But what are these terms of service actually saying? I didn't explain it yet. That's actually very, very simple. The terms of service, TOS, something like that, state that Capcut, once you click on agree on these terms of service, if you don't agree on them, you can't use the platform, which is good. You shouldn't use it, to be honest. But it's your choice at the end of the day, so yeah. Anyways, in these terms of service, they state that every video that is being produced on their platform, so for example, you record your dog running in the park, or I don't know, and unboxing for your new Hot Wheels for your YouTube channel, whatever, and you edit that video on the platform Capcut. Capcut, the company behind the platform, can use that video, the finished video, how they want. They can make an ad with it, through this money, they can monetize it for their own. They can do illegal shit with it, which is even worse. And they pretty much say, if you edit on our platform, your video is ours, not yours. And nope. I like to stay with my videos because I edit these videos, not Capcut. Capcut only gives me the tools. Well, not anymore because I don't use Capcut anymore, but yeah. I don't like when people use my content as theirs and monetize it, for example. I already had it happen a couple of times on TikTok, and with Capcut doing it, it's even worse, because they can use my videos, whichever one's videos who makes from the time of the update videos on their platform, they can use that video for advertising stuff and, as I said, illegal stuff. And for the illegal stuff, you would say, well, if they do something illegal with it, what has that to do with me? Very simple, because you get you are going to court because of the illegal stuff, not Capcut, even though Capcut did it, because then Capcut claims it's your video. Yes, I hopefully don't have to explain anything else. As soon as I heard it, I already had decided to stop using Capcut. I almost immediately switched to InShot. I deleted all my projects I've started on Capcut, and yeah, I do not recommend using Capcut anymore as long as this terms of service is still active. And now my word to Capcut. I'm actually really sad about this because Capcut is actually a really nice platform. It's really greatly polished and stuff, and I love to use Capcut. I made most of my videos and even some edits on Capcut, and now to have it seen literally kill itself and seeing no reason to further use it, it's just sad, you know. That's almost like Asphalt 8 Airborne, which I'm doing a video soon about as well. But yeah, not cool. Not cool. Capcut, please change these terms of service as soon as possible. I loved your platform. I would love to have it back. InShot is a great platform as well. It's pretty much the free version of Capcut, but yeah. I'm learning now to do the same stuff I'm doing on InShot, which I would know how to do on Capcut, but I don't use Capcut, as I said. So yeah, this video turned dark. Oh yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. Hey, don't go. I am gonna be honest, I don't know what I'm going to do in the near future. I'm probably gonna still make videos, but I'm gonna swap for the editing to InShot. And yeah, now it's your time, guys. Do you agree on these terms of service of Capcut, or would you say no, I wouldn't do my stuff anymore on Capcut? Did you ever do your edits on Capcut, or did you actually never use Capcut? Well, because Capcut is mostly a mobile platform for editing. I know there's a PC version, but on PC you have way better options. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to this channel because it helps me out a lot. And then I see you again in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful time. Bye bye.